In this video, I'll show you how to renew your Florida driver's license online in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and searching Renew Florida Driver's License Online. Click the link that takes you to Florida Highway Safety and Motorvehicles.gov, the official DMV website. Now scroll down and click on the MyDMV portal link. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you'll need to create one by following the sign-up steps. After logging in, you can check if you're eligible for online renewal. Florida only allows this every other renewal period. If you are eligible, follow the steps to renew. You can also update your address or replace a lost or stolen license through the same portal. To complete the process, you'll need to enter your Social Security number. If the system can't verify it, you'll be asked to contact the Social Security Administration. Once everything checks out, you'll see the renewal fee, plus a $2 processing fee. After payment, make sure to select Yes on the confirmation screen to get your receipt by email. Your new license or ID will be mailed to you in 2 to 3 weeks, and that's it. Thanks for watching.